Enhance your business with Square's Easy Pay point-of-sale system. This system makes payments faster and easier. This system includes an iPad mount and a Square Contactless and chip reader mount. Each product can be purchased separately, but the combination of both will provide the best results. The Easy Pay point-of-sale system is unlike any others, as it makes it easy for you and your customer to make a purchase. The top of the Easy Pay iPad mount is adjustable to flip back and forth between you and your customer. The Easy Pay contactless and chip reader mount holds the Square chip reader in place for an easy point-of-sale or inserted card purchase. Purchase your Easy Pay point-of-sale system today to create an easier payment process within your business.